Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to repair a corrupt Outlook profile. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This initial step is important because you'll need to identify which profile is causing issues before you can repair it. Once your email has loaded, it's time to access the built-in repair tool that comes with Microsoft Outlook. Start by navigating to your Microsoft Outlook installation folder. If you installed Outlook with the default settings, this process will be straightforward. Head to your C drive by opening File Explorer and clicking on the C:\/ location. From there, open your Program Files folder where all your installed applications are stored. Under the Program Files folder, look for and click on Microsoft Office. This folder contains all the essential files and tools related to your Office installation. From here, you'll need to open the root folder, which houses the core application files. Now, locate the Office 16 folder and open it. This folder contains the specific tools and executables for your version of Outlook. Inside the Office 16 folder, look for the Scan PST launcher. This is Microsoft's official PST file repair tool, also known as the Inbox Repair tool, and is specifically designed to fix corruption issues in your Outlook data files. Once you've located it, double-click to open the Scan PST app. When the Scan PST window appears, you'll see a Browse button at the top. Click on it to open a File Explorer window. This is where you'll need to locate your corrupt Outlook profile file. These files typically have either a PST or OST extension, depending on your account type. PST files are used for POP3 accounts, while OST files are used for Exchange and IMAP accounts. Navigate through your folders until you find the corrupted file you want to repair. Once you've located the corrupted file, click on it to select it, then click the Open button to load it into the repair tool. You'll be brought back to the Scan PST window, where you'll now see the file path displayed. At this point, all you need to do is click the Start button to begin the repair process. The tool will scan your file for errors and automatically attempt to fix any corruption it finds. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of your file, so be patient while the repair completes. And that's it, you've successfully initiated the repair process for your corrupt Outlook profile using Microsoft's built-in tool. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.